I'm always wary when people claim a biblical verse perfectly supports their modern political positions. This week's Parashah Matot-Masei shows exactly why that's a dangerous game. In Numbers 31, Israel goes to war, wins, and brings back the spoils. The Torah commands a strict formula to divide the plunder. 50% goes to the soldiers who fought and 50% to those who remained behind. Now look at one of the most painful debates in Israel today: military enlistment and funding for the Haredi community. An advocate for the status quo may take a look at this chapter and say, look, the Torah says those who fight and those who don't get an equal 50-50 split. Therefore, the state should fund the Haredi institutions equal to the IDF. It's a 50-50 partnership. But opponents look at the exact same verse and they do the math. There were only 12,000 soldiers out of a population of roughly 600,000. Because the soldier pool was so small, on an individual per capita basis, a soldier received 50 times more than a non-soldier. They could argue the Torah proves those who don't serve should get 1/50th of the state benefits. Same verse, opposite conclusions. A dangerous game indeed. But both miss the real point. Why does the Torah split the spoils at all? It's because the Torah assumes a fundamental truth. The Jewish people are limbs of the same body. You can't slice a body in half and expect it to survive. The exact breakdown of state budgets, military exemptions, and civic responsibilities is a deeply painful debate, and Israel must figure out the right answer. But the text reminds us how to have that debate. You can't begin from a place of wanting to cut off the limbs of those we disagree with. Left or right, Haredi, Dati, or Sioni, Israeli-born or Olim, we are all one body. Whatever solution we find, we must build it together from a starting point of unity and sharing the sacred responsibility of building a society that is a light unto the nations. Shabbat Shalom and Am Yisrael Chai.